Hey y'all, it's Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment or share with a friend. All those really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is a great product for outdoors. It is a portable kind of air conditioner, if you will, by Lordson. This is the box it comes in. I will include a link in the description if you want to check this out for yourself. But this is the L07 model. When you open up the box, you're going to get the air cooler right here, and then you're going to get a USB-C charging cable. And then you're going to get the little instruction manual, which you can go read through and kind of see all the tips and the tricks. But let's go over the device itself. So this is, I find, I hate the heat, and so I find this a really cool product. It's a built-in fan, and then basically it uses mist to help cool you down. And instead of plugging in, it is battery controlled, so it's really portable. It's easy to set up on a table or bring out to you if you're going to a game or something like that. So the front here, you want to pop open the little baffle door, and then this allows you to kind of adjust to direct the flow up or down. And the bottom here, as you can see, is the water reservoir. So there is a latch on each side, and you just lift this straight up, and then you fill this with water. A little kind of pro tip here is if you drop some ice cubes in here, it'll make the water even colder when it is turning into mist. Now, on the front here, back in there, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see there's a fan in the back, and then there's two little silver discs. That's where the mist comes out. Obviously, if you're in a more arid environment, like the desert, Vegas, Arizona, whatnot, you're going to really feel the cool air a lot more than if you're in a more humid environment, like Florida, Houston, along the Gulf, where you'll still feel that cool air, just not as pronounced. So that's when I recommend dropping in ice cubes. It really makes a difference. So on the top here, it has a handle that hides really well. And then you have the controls for each side. So you can run it with just the fan mode, and it has a low, medium, and high. Or you can run it also with the misting mode, which also has low, medium, and high. In this little dial, you slide over, and that's where you plug in the USB. And then there's little lights here. This basically tells you how much power it has. So I'll kind of turn it on here. So this is fully charged, obviously come down at 75% charge, 50, and then 25%. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. So it has a slower charge time, but it also lasts, it has a lot of battery time too. And then you can set it up for a timer mode if you want. You can run it continuously or set the timer. And it has a 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour timer mode. So I'm gonna kind of put this in here so we can turn it on and let you guys see how it works. It's super lightweight too, which is really nice. So it's easy to carry around and take with you. But to turn on the fan, we'll hit the fan mode. And here, let me turn this because I don't want water going everywhere. You can see it lights up as you select the various modes. So turning on the fan, I will kind of let you hear how loud it gets. So this is the lowest setting. That's the medium setting, and then that's the highest setting. Obviously, the higher you have everything, the quicker the battery goes out, but it will last quite a bit of time. And it blows out a nice group of air here. Once again, if you have this like on a table or right by you, that's when it works best. It's not going to blow across the room, so keep that in mind. And then to do the misting function, we just hit the misting button, and there you go. So it's now starting to turn on. We'll go ahead and turn it up so you can kind of see how that mist kind of just flows out right there. And like I said, if you put ice cubes in here, it's going to make that water even colder. And then any moisture that collects falls back down and works its way in. So a cool little device. Like I said, it's great for summertime, and it's portable, which I love. I've had other mysteries in the past, but you always have to plug them in, which means you have to deal with extension cords. So this is easy to transport with you. That's basically it. Like I said, if you want to hit me up in the comment section, I do typically respond. I'll also include a link in the description if you want to check out the product for yourself on Amazon. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.